Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So another one of those. I didn't really have anything planned today. So I'm just sitting here kind of like messing around with my new computer. Moving all of my presets over from my other computer, which I have them all saved and backed up, like whatever, but can I just say that like that's annoying, especially like the new Lightroom. If you didn't know, there are any new presets you've bought or like XMP files and any older presets you have, or like .lr template files, and they go in different places. Thank you YouTube for showing me the difference. But yeah, so I'm just sitting here like slowly loading all of my presets into my computer and realizing that I have way too many. Most of them I don't use, but like what if I want it? I better load it. You know. That's where I'm at. So, but we went out over the weekend, and I don't know if you've ever been to Hawaii, especially if you've been to Hawaii in the wintertime. There are massive waves. Like, that's when all of the surf competitions happen, and that's when all of, like, the surfers come to Hawaii to visit, is because these waves are epic. So, what we did, we went over the weekend. I want to say it was, like, Saturday or Sunday. I do not recall. It was a long 4-day weekend for everyone. So we went out over the weekend, and I just wanted to see like, hey, I want to go check out these waves, and there were some surfers out there, so I took some pictures of surfers, and I wish I had a longer lens, but I don't know, I figured we could just kind of go through them and like edit some. I've never really taken any kind of pictures like this, so I figured we could just like figure it out together and edit, and you can see how like what my process is when I edit stuff. Especially since this is not a portrait. Like, I'm not a sports photographer. I am not a landscape photographer. I'm not any of those things. So we're just gonna play around. Because again, I needed to shoot a video today, and I'm just shooting a video of what I'm doing. So it's not super exciting, but yeah, it's always fun to try new things. So, alright, I'm going to still look at those waves. They were like super rough and super epic. They were very cool. Let me slide on over to where some guys were surfing. So, see, there's this guy who was just like floating around. See? They weren't like crazy. I don't have a zoom lens. The longest lens I have is 135 millimeter 2.8 for my Canon. So that's what I took out there. So this guy looks like he's real close to me, but he was not. Let's see. See, you can see this little guy surfing back here. Look at how cool he is. Like, he's so tiny. Maybe there's one that got closer. I mean, I guess like some cropping can be done. That's kind of cool. Maybe like, I like that. Can we crop this? Let's crop it. Okay, so we're cropped. I don't know, let's play with a different one. Let me know in the comments if you ever do this too. You're just kind of like messing around with things and you don't really like it. I was so excited to take pictures of these surfers though. Maybe just don't like the way the sun is in those. Maybe there's something else down here. Ooh, that's a good one. Look at him go. Let's see. Let's find the right. Ooh. I think that might be it. That might be the winner. Ooh, that one's good too though. Okay, I like that one. Hold on. Hold please. Let's make this epic. Let's make it like really feel like we were there. Look at they put that on there just right. Let's see. What do we want to do? I love that lens at 135. Let's see. Maybe warm this up a little bit. Haha! Figured it out. It looked like there was like green in that white, and I knew that it had to be something in the preset, which I made. So, yeah. Okay. Yay, that fixed it. Okay. I really did not like the way it looked, so feel like it looks really good. Like the water looks super turquoisey. Maybe like just brighten it up a little bit. Like just, you know, I mean, I know the water was like dark, but like it wasn't that dark. Okay, done. Okay, let's do this. Let's edit in Photoshop. And let's see if we can do something like cool. Let's add like a cool sky or something. All right. Let's sky replacement. That's cool. Let's pick a different sky though. It was like a blue day. Let's pick a cool blue. Ooh. That's pretty cool. Maybe something else instead. Ooh, that's cool. I feel like I should do that and see if people fall for it. I'm like, yeah, it was totally a rainbow behind him. I took that photo. That's why you can't believe anything you see. Yeah, I think I really like that one though. I could do like cloudy skies. That one looks really cool. Can you warm it up a little? I like that one. Maybe like a little bit brighter. Needs to be blurred out, but that's another situation. Okay, let's see. Sky, filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Does that look cool? It looks a little cheesy, but I think it looks cool. You think it looks cool? Do you think people would think that I took that? I don't think the light matches, if we're being honest. If we're being honest, I don't think the light matches, but that's not what I wanted to do. Let's see. New layer. Let's see. Let's just go crazy. I'm really just like, at this point I'm just fucking around because okay, so while I was recording, it decided to stop. So, yeah, it missed. Here's the finished photo. I definitely think it's fine. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm not a landscape photographer. I'm not a sports photographer. So it's fine. Let me know in the comments what you would have done differently. I'm gonna just mess around on here some more. And yeah, if you like these videos, like we can just hang out and edit more often. I really didn't have a plan for this. I've never taken photos like this before. So yeah, it's always fun to try something new. What have you tried new this year? It's almost a month into 2021. Have you tried anything new this year? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe so you can hang out with me more often. That's all I have for today. Bye.